Welcome to the future of digital education. For too long, e-learning has been a static experience. Reading text, watching videos, staying passive. Static learning is dead. It is time for a change. Enter the Learning Workspace system. LWS is not just a platform, it is a living, breathing educational ecosystem. It begins with our extensive, carefully curated catalog. Browse, discover, master. Watch as we seamlessly navigate from broad subjects down to highly specific chapters and difficulty levels. The architecture is designed for immediate discovery. No friction, just focus. But finding content is only the beginning. This is our revolutionary book flow. Here, words become reality. Powered by our proprietary triad format physics engine, complex simulations run directly inside the reading experience. You aren't just reading about physics, you are interacting with it without ever leaving the page. Words become reality. See the power of LWS. Behind this interactive magic lies our immensely powerful built-in learning management system. Complete control, everything you need is here. Track every interaction. Monitor student progress across chapters and levels. And for educators, harness our highest tier tools, dynamic flashcards, and a robust scientific authoring suite. Create, simulate, dominate. Beautiful design, unmatched simulation power, a complete built-in LMS. The next generation of learning is already here. Step into the workspace. Experience LWS today. Experience LWS. Get started today.